Music. Need cash fast? This video reviews Eastern Loans Express Loan. All the details are linked below. We'll cover features, who it's for, and my personal experience so you can decide if it's right for you. Eastern Loans offers quick, short-term loans for unexpected expenses, typically between $500 and $1,000, perfect for things like car repairs, medical bills, or utility payments. Applying is easy, secure, and completely online. It only takes a few minutes, and decisions are often made same day. Once approved, money is usually deposited within 24 hours. Even with less than perfect credit, you might still qualify. Eastern Loans looks at your whole financial picture, not just your credit score. They also offer transparent pricing. You'll clearly see the total cost, interest rates, and fees upfront. Plus, flexible repayment options help you manage your cash flow. Eastern Loans is great for those who need fast cash and appreciate simple, clear loan terms. However, as with any short-term loan, carefully review the terms, ensure it fits your budget, and avoid using it for long-term financial solutions. Ready to learn more or apply? Check the links below.